Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe with the Menace SI Racing Project, here with another video. Today the D2 coilovers are finally installed. They're on the car, it's lowered, and we're going to be talking about the positives and the negatives of the coilovers, and also I'm going to show you a few things. Let's start with the negatives. There's a few negatives. Of course, the sport button no longer works, so there's no more adjusting the dampener by just the hit of a button. So that's one negative. That's a big one too, but you know, that it is what it is on that. And also when I do want to adjust the dampening, I have to go to each shock and adjust it manually. You know, the front are under the hood, and then, you know, in the back of the car they're a little harder to get to, and you know, that's gonna be a pain. But yeah, that's another negative. And also the light that comes up on the dash, it's another negative. But eventually they're gonna make a bypass module, so that would go away. So I'm gonna be showing you that too, and show you, you know, how to just get rid of it. And also the positives. The positives with these coilovers is that you can adjust as high as you want. You could even go higher than stock, you know, if you really wanted to. And then also you can lower them pretty low. You can tuck the tires. I put a decent drop. It's not too low, it's not too high. So I'll show you, you know, why I did that in a bit. And also just for the shocks, there's you know, way more that you can do with them. There's way more settings versus the stock. The stock, you got two settings. You got the sport and you got the regular driving, which are pretty good. Honda did a really good job on setting those two settings, but with the coilovers you could do so much more, you know. So those are the positives. Let's see. And also, like with the ride height, you know, I put it at a certain height because I know that the springs will break in and the car's gonna settle and it's gonna get a little lower. So what I did was I just put it at a certain height, and I'm gonna see how much it drops after that, and then if I have to drop it some more or raise it or whatever, you know, then I'll adjust it. First, let's start with looking at the light in the dash. See what it looks like. See how you can see the suspension system ADS problem. What I do is I just hit the little button right here, and then it goes away. And then, but you still have the little caution light here. That's gonna stay, but eventually you can't see the actual suspension signal anymore. Let's see what else. Let's go take a look outside. So here's it. In the engine bay, and this is about how low I dropped it for now. Not too low, but I'm gonna let them settle in, see how much more lower it drops. And then also came with a pretty cool sticker, carbon fiber D2 sticker. So I put that on. That one looked pretty nice. Let me show you what the car looks like, you know, further angle. Not too low, but again, I'm gonna wait for it to settle in, and then you know, depending on what it looks like, maybe lower it a little bit more, because it's not too low. Might want it a little lower. I'm gonna be doing a 360 video later. I didn't get to wash the car today because it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I was thinking maybe I should just wait on that. And then as soon as the rain passes, I'm gonna wash the car, and then do a 360 video on it of the look, you know, when it's dropped. But nothing major right now. I'll wait for it to settle in. Yeah, so give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and also you can follow me on Twitter at SI Racing. If you want to follow me there, I got some pictures and I post videos there as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video.